So in this figure, we are required to find the distance between A and B. So we have three circles of different sizes that are inscribed inside this rectangle here. Okay, and the smallest circle has radius 3, the medium circle has radius 4, and the big circle has radius 6. So all these all these circles are tangent to each other at these points, as you can see, and they are also tangent to the rectangle. This one at this point, this at this point, and this at these 3 points. So with that information, what is the distance between this point A, or point of tangency of the small circle, and point of tangency of the big circle? First, let's label the points or the centers of the circles. Let this be L, M, and this N. Next step is let us draw vertical perpendicular lines from all the centers of the circles to the line AB. So let's draw a vertical perpendicular line from L to A, from M to this point, and from N to B. As you can see, I've drawn the line. So this is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees, this is also 90 degrees because we've drawn them perpendicular to the line AB. And more so, this is radius, and we know that radius is always perpendicular to the tangent to a circle. So this is obviously 90 degrees. This side is also 90 degrees. Now let me call this here point C. Next step, let me draw a line connecting point center M to center N. Just like this. Okay, I've drawn the line connecting center M to center N. Also, let me draw a horizontal perpendicular line from center N to midline MC. Just like this. So let me call this point D. Okay, so this line DN is parallel to line CB. So this is 90 degrees. Now we know that from here to here is radius of this circle, and it was given it's 4. Then from here to here is radius of this big circle, and it was given as 6. So MN is 4 plus 6, which is 10. So MN is equals to 4 plus 6, which is 10. Now, if we were to extend this line BN all the way to the top, we would see that this line from here to here is the radius of this circle, which is 6. Okay, and also if we were to extend this line DM up to the top, this is also M to this point is radius of this circle, which is 4. Okay, that implies that D up to this point is equals to N up to this point. So if N up to this point is 6, that means from D up to this point is 6. Okay, that implies that MD is equals to 6, the whole distance 6, then minus this one 4. Okay, so that implies that now MD is equals to 2. So from here to here is 2. Now focusing on triangle MDN, this one, it's a right angle triangle, as you can see. This is 90 degrees. This side is 2, and this MN, we've seen it's 10. Okay, so that means we can find this side using the Pythagoras theorem, since it's a right triangle. So A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. Okay, our A is DN, which we don't know. So DN squared plus our B is DM, which is 2. So 2 squared is equals to our C, which is MN, which is 10. So 10 squared. Therefore, DN squared plus 2 squared is 4 is equals to 10 squared is 100. So we take this side, so we shall have DN squared being equals to 100 minus 4. So dn squared is equals to 96. We find the square root of dn squared. So we find square root on both sides. So this cancels. So dn is equals to 96 is the same as 16 times 6. So dn is equals to square root of 16 is 4. So 4, we have 4 root 6. So from here to here is 4 root 6. Now since DNBC is a rectangle, implying that if DN is 4 root 6, also CB is 4 root 6. Next point, let us draw a line connecting center L to center M. Just like this, let us also draw another horizontal line to meet line from point L to meet line SC, such that that line that you're going to draw is parallel to line SC. Just like this. So this is 90 degrees. Let me call this point E. Now we know that from this point, from the center to this point is the radius of this small circle, which is 3. And from here to the center of this circle is the radius of this medium circle, which is 4. So LM is 4 plus 3, which is 7. Okay, so LM is equals to 7. Now let this point here be F. Now we know that, F. We know that FC is equals to this line from here to here, which is the diameter of the big circle. So FC is equal to the diameter of the big circle. And the big circle is the diameter, the radius is 6, so its diameter is 12. That implies that FC is 12. So FC is equals to 12. Now since from this point to this point is the radius, which is 3, and this is a rectangle, so LA is equals to EC. That implies that also EC is equals to 3. So that implies that FE from here to here will be equals to FC minus EC, which will be equals to 12 minus 3, which gives us 9. Okay, so from here to here is 9. But remember that from F to M is 4. So FE, we have FE being equals to 9, and FM, which is the radius, is 4. So to find ME, we shall get FE minus FM, which is 9 minus 4, which gives us 5. So from point M to point E is 5. Now let's put our focus on this triangle LME. It's a right triangle. This is 90 degrees. This is ME. This is L. So we've said ME is 5, and we got LM as 3 plus 4, which is 7. So since it's a right triangle, we can find the missing side, LE, using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so A squared plus B squared is equals to C squared. Our A is LE, which we don't know, plus B is ME, which is 5. So 5 squared is equals to our CLM, which is 7 squared. So LE squared plus 5 squared is 25 minus, is equals to 7 squared is 49. So LE squared, we take the 25 the other side, will be equals to 49 minus 25. So LE will be equals to 49 minus 25, we get 24. So this is squared. So we find the square root on both sides. This cancels, so LE is equals to 24 can be written as 4 times 6. So LE is equals to, square root of 4 is 2. So 2 root 6. So LE from here to here is 2 root 6. But since LECA is a rectangle, that implies that LE is equals to AC, which is now equals to 2 root 6. So from here to here is 2 root 6. And our question wanted us to find the distance between A and B, and we have this distance AC and this distance CB. So distance AB or line AB is equals to AC plus CB. Okay, so AB is equals to, our AC is 2 root 6 and our CB is 4 root 6. So this is equals to, since they are both root 6, so we shall just add 2 plus 4 to get 6 root 6. This is approximately equals to 14.7 units. So line AB from here to here is 14.7 units. So that's how we find AB. If you have alternative approaches, you can state them in the comment section down below. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet. Like this video, and yeah, let's meet in the next one. Bye.